Hello class. Today our lesson is about tax. What is added tax and how can I find it? Please make sure you take notes. Sales tax in New Jersey is 7%, which is equivalent to 7/100ths. Please make sure you write this down. This is how to calculate sales tax. You need to total the cost of all your items, if you're buying more than one item, and multiply this amount by 7/100ths. The product is your tax. Now, you need to then add the product to the total cost of the items, and that is how much you end up paying. Please make sure you take notes. If Jamil wants to buy a video game that costs $9.99, how much will it cost with sales tax? So again, he's paying sales tax, so he's not just buying the video game. So we need to use the original cost of the item and multiply it by 7/100ths. 9 times 7 is 63. Carry your 6. 9 times 7 is 63 again. Add the 6 and that's 69. Carry the 6. Again, 63 plus 6 is 69 again. We don't need to do the second row because they're all zeros. We need to count our decimal places now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In our product, 1, 2, 3, 4, our decimal place goes here. And we know that for cents or money, it only goes up to the 100ths place. So we need to look at the thousandths place and see if we need to round that number up or down. So in this case, because in our thousandths place is a 9, we need to round up. So this 69 turns into a 70. So 70 cents is our sales tax. So the question is asking how much will it cost with sales tax? So now we need to add the sales tax back to the original price of the game. And we know that for adding we need to line up the decimal. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry our 1, 9 and 1, that's 10. So it will cost Jamil $10.69 with sales tax. Please make sure you pause this video and take notes. Here's another scenario. Miss Munn goes to the supermarket. She buys apples for $3.29, turkey for $5.95, and carrots for 88 cents. How much did she spend including tax? Now we have to remember that if we're adding decimals, we need to line up the decimal. So we have $3.29, $5.95, and 88 cents. And when we add them, 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 8 is 22. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 9 is 13, plus 8 is 21. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus another 5 is 10. So the total cost of the items is $10.12, but we need to figure out how much she paid including tax. So we need to multiply this sum by 7/100ths. So we have $10.12 times 7/100ths. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry our 1. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 0 times 7 is 0, and 1 times 7 is 7. Now when we count our decimal places, again we have 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We need this many in our product, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to see if we need to round this up or down. We look at the 8, so we need to round up. The 70 turns into a 71 cents, right? So this is sales tax, sales tax. Please write this down, sales tax. So now we need to add the 71 cents back to the total cost of the items. So we have $10.12 plus 71 cents in tax. So we have, let's see, $10.83 is how much she spent at the supermarket. Let's do one more. Please make sure you pause and take notes. Walmart is selling a 52-inch flat screen television for only $229.95. Anthony has saved up $240, which is more than the amount of the TV. Does he have enough money to purchase his TV? Now remember, the TV has tax on it, right? So we need to multiply this amount, $229.95, by 7%, which is 7/100. 5 times 7 is 35. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 3 is 66. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 6 is 69. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 6 is 20. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Count our decimal places. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Count from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And he pays $16.09. Is that correct? No, because we need to look at the thousandths place. Do we need to round up or down? We need to round up. So this 9 cents turns into $16.10 for sales tax. This is just sales tax. Oh. This is sales tax. So we need to add the sales tax back to the original price of the item, which was $229.95. So we need to line up our decimal. 10 goes on this side. 16 goes over here. Oh. We add them up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 6, that is 16. 2 plus 1 and 1, that is 4. And that's 2. We bring down our 2. We just bring down our decimal place. This is how much the TV costs with tax. So does he have enough money to purchase the television if he has only saved up $240? And the answer is no. Anthony does not have enough money. Make sure you are writing this down, please. So Anthony does not have enough money to buy the TV plus tax. And that is your answer. Please make sure you pause this and take notes. Here's your homework for tonight. Nina wants to buy a bag of chips for 96 cents, candy for $1.79, and juice for $1.50. All items are taxable. If she has $4.35 in her wallet, can she purchase all 3 items? Explain your answer. Please make sure you do your homework, and I will see you tomorrow.